Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Mendeley, and this is unique reference management tool and completely free. I will show you how to install it and how to use it in our Microsoft Word. Okay, here is the link. Just search on Google and found Mendeley Desktop 1.19.5 for Windows and download it for install. It will take some time to download from internet. After that we'll install it. Okay, download has been completed. Now please find the downloaded file in the downloads and install it in our personal computer. Okay, here is the installation guidelines. You can follow the guideline, you can read it and just I agree, next, and install. Most of us know this process. Okay, installation has been completed. Now it's time to open Mendeley. And before this starting, we have to register because we don't have any account till now. So at first, we need to register in Mendeley. Mendeley is supported by is organized by Elsevier. So before starting registration, we need to insert email address here. You can use Gmail also or Outlook, any mail. Then you need to input your name, your family name, and a password for Mendeley. Okay, password setup completed. Now click on register. Okay, save this password for future. Okay, we will now continue to Mendeley. This is the Mendeley portal, and we now open Mendeley desktop software which is installed already. So in the desktop Mendeley, we are trying to log in using the recently registered email address and password. Okay, now Mendeley is ready to start. Here you can show some pop-up box just showing the update. You can install it right now or later, so I will install it later. Here also show citation plugin. I will show detail later stage. Microsoft Word citation plugin is not installed, so I will show you later stage. But you can also install now. uh, it is easier and it is the main task for us. Okay, we also remove this one advertisement. Okay, next, how to use Mendeley. This is the Mendeley preview, and here you can see the tools. Install web importer, install MS Word plugin. Yeah, we have to install MS Word plugin to work Mendeley in Microsoft Word. You can see that Outlook is running here, MS Word is running here, so we have to uninstall, close it, Microsoft Word. Now we start citation plugin. Now already installed after clicking. Okay, so we have already installed Microsoft Word plugin. Next, our task is to web plugin Mendeley web importer. We can also insert uh, our research paper, books, ebooks from website directly using the web plugin and web importer. So we also install this one using the following guidelines. From Mendeley web importer, we can add this in our Chrome browser. Okay, just add to Chrome, add extension, downloaded and automatically edit. In the browser. Okay, here you can show that Mendeley web importer already added as a okay. Our task is finished. Now we will start work on Mendeley for referencing our research paper, assignments, and any other task we can do. Uh, okay, after installing um, Mendeley Word plugin and web importer, we will be able to see a change in Microsoft Word. At first we will open Microsoft Word and go to reference tool, and we can see that there you will find option insert citation. Open Mendeley, insert bibliography. You can also see the citation style, and there are a lot of citation style, and they are also available more style. You can choose any of citation style, and you can choose also more style from your listed tool to insert citation in your Microsoft Word. Okay, now we are going to start about discuss how will we add references in the Mendeley. I will show you two different process, very easier to use Mendeley desktop. At first we will add file which already saved in my computer, PDF files. We can directly add PDF file from my computer, from your computer, downloaded files. We can select the downloaded research paper and directly open, and it will upload it in the Mendeley. You can show that there is a list of authors, titles, and a year of publishing, and the journal name and time also available here. So this already automatically added after uploading the after that we can also install, we have also already installed Mendeley web importer, and so we can also add file from directly website, so we don't need to download them PDF as PDF file. At first we are going to website and search any research paper. I am going to search about non-coding iron in cancer. Okay, I found several websites here, and just I can select a website, long non-coding iron in cancer implications for. Okay, I can select this one. I will insert this reference from NCBI in Mendeley without downloading PDF. Okay, so click on Mendeley web importer. Just after clicking that, we can see that Mendeley have access on this page, and how many we will be able to see the all the research paper and their journal name, authors here. So we will be able to select our expected papers title for Mendeley. Okay, you can see that this paper, long non-coding iron and cancer, available here. So you can also select one, because we can also select all, or we can select the specific one. So just I need some 2 or 3 paper which is important for me. Okay, I can select potential this one. I can also select long non-coding RNA variation in cancer. This molecular mechanism of long non-coding RNAs. Okay, you can also see the PDF file by Mendeley. So it is great tool, I think. Now just simply click on add to Mendeley. All the references I marked will be added automatically in the Mendeley. We do not need to download it from website, because sometimes we are unable to most of the downloaded papers due to limitations. Okay, it's automatically adding here. in Mendeley. After that, we'll open Mendeley desktop to see how this whether this reference is added or not. Okay, I think this reference is not already added here, so we need to refresh. Because I not find the three reference already I marked. So after refreshing, I will be able that this references added in Mendeley desktop, they are uploading automatically. Okay, now it is time to work on these references in our assignment or research papers or thesis. So for this, we go to Microsoft Word to open and to work on it. Okay, suppose I am going to work on Microsoft Word for my assignment, so I need to show reference. Before that, suppose I have copied information from one of my paper, and I am going to cite this paper on my assignment or thesis. So I just select it. It is just a sample to show you. I just select a topic, copied it, and paste in my Word, MS Word. After that, I will add references, a reference based on from Mendeley here in this line. Okay, so go to reference tool, click on insert citation. Here I will add this reference, Dylan Bud. I will add him as a reference because I used his paper, information from his paper. So go to insert citation and search by the name of writer or by the name of research paper. So I can see that here it is available, non-suspended mRNA decay by this author, and just simply click on OK. It will automatically add it as reference. So similar way, we can also add some other references also from other writers. This is another line I am going to cite from another writer. Suppose I have collected that information from this one, molecular mechanism of long non-coding RNA. So by searching by the name of article, molecular mechanism, we can find that this article available here. Okay, I have completed citation, these two citation. So you can add the list of citation, complete citation as bibliography, because we already inserted two citation, and we can also change the citation style. Any citation style we can select, and so, we can select IEEE, automatically citation style will be changed. We can also use American Psychological Association 7th style, so automatically reference will be formatted. So it is a great tool, it will save our time. And it also, if you want to insert bibliography easily, just click on bibliography and automatically it will show the list of reference you added here in the last part of the references. After that, if you can also change the reference style by clicking just style option. I think it is a very great tool for us to use in our assignment, our presentation, and our research paper, and it's completely free.